Hello friends, welcome back, and in this video we are going to discuss about the overloading of the operators, and this time we are going to discuss about overloading of the unary operators. So I have created a sample class for you so that we can avoid writing some piece of code which can take your time. So I have written a class sample, and inside this class I have taken one private variable nval, which will be our value, which will be incremented or decremented. So we are going to discuss about the pre-increment and pre-decrement. You know that there are two types of increment and decrements for the unary operators, like pre-increment and the post-increment. Pre-increment means first the incrementation will take place, right, and then the assignation of the value will take place. And in case of pre-decrement, first the decrement will take place and then the assignation will be take place. Okay, but in case of post increment and post decrement, first the assignation takes place and then the decrement or increment operation is performed on that particular variable. Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss about the pre-increment of operator overloading, because one operator overloaded for plus plus or minus minus cannot serve the purpose for two. So in this video we are going to discuss about the pre-increment only. So let me show you. This is the simple example for pre-increments. I have taken a value nval. I have created a constructor sample, which will be assigning the value at the time of creation of the object to the nval, and then I have created an operator overloaded with plus plus unary operator plus plus. And inside this, I'm just performing the plus plus and val. I'm performing the increment, pre-increment inside this particular overloaded operator, which is the pre-increment. Okay, so this will be performed as the pre-increment operator. Only the pre-increment can be performed if I call the plus plus on the object of this sample class. So let me show you that how it will work. So it is sample, and inside this sample, for the sample, I have created an object with name s. So I have given the value 10. So this will be initialized with 10. So let me first print the value, s dot print value, which will be printed as 10. Now let me do s plus plus. What is this? This s plus plus is the post increment, not the pre increment. So it will give you a error, a compilation error. Here you can see that I have given the return type as void for this overloaded operator. This is up to you what you want to do. I just want to perform the increment operator and don't want to return any value. Then in that case I have given this as the void. Okay, so void operator plus 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 and val. This will give me the pre-incremented value. But here I am calling the post version, the post increment version for the object, and here there is no post increment version. This version is always a pre-increment version. In the post For the post increment version, I will discuss about the next video. Discuss about that post increment version in the next video. Okay, so let me compile it. So if I will compile it, you will be able to see there is a error. There is a compilation error. Binary plus plus sample does not define this operator or a conversion to a type acceptable to this predefined operator, right? But if I do plus plus s, then in that case this will call this particular function with this particular operator overloaded, right? So in that case you will be able to see no errors. So it will be compiled easily with no errors. Okay, now after incrementation I want to print it again. Okay, so this will be printed again, and let me print it like s dot print value, and let me run it. First the 10 has been printed because the value 10 was provided, and then the 11 has been printed because I have incremented the value here, and after that I'm printing the value. So print value is printing the value of this nval using the object s, right? So now you might have understood that how the pre-increment operator can be overloaded. Similarly, you can perform the pre-decrement operator overloading as well, right? So you can see this code, you can practice this code yourself, right? So this is very simple code, and I will try that I should give you this piece of code in your comment box. Okay, so this you can understand. These are basic concepts. I don't need to provide the code as well, but yeah, I will try that I should put somewhere this code, or I will create some repository, and you can I will make that repository as public, and you can access the code as well. So very soon I will be creating that repository. So with this particular video comes to an end. Please let me know how it was, and please share this video with your friends, and please let me know how it was. Like the video, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon. And have a nice day, and bye bye.